ex-military releases NASA video showing a 3,200 kilometer long spacecraft of unknown origin. Bob Dean is a former member of NATO intelligence, high-ranking military man who has been involved in a major UFO research. Today, already retired, he decided to divulge everything he knows to the world. In his newest video, Bob Dean shows images of an alien object about 3,200 kilometers long near the planet Saturn in 1980. We know that the rings of Saturn have had some very mysterious objects in there. Now, a former NASA engineer turned whistleblower claimed that NASA has known about the existence of extraterrestrial life for decades, recently released a video of long spacecraft, and the video sparked speculation and conspiracy theories amongst the viewers. Bob Dean said there are intelligent races out there that are 1 billion years ahead of us. We find stars out there that probably have planets. Those planets can be up to 3 times as old as our star. Bob Dean is a former member of NATO intelligence, high-ranking military man who has been involved in major UFO research, and he's retired already, deciding to divulge everything he knows. The recent leaked Russian space program files clearly show the same object as described in 1980. Robert Dean explains in September 2009, the Cassini spacecraft photographed what NASA calls an anomaly, a strange object that they believe moved at all while under the control of an intelligence, was metallic and magnetic. It was determined that the object measured about 3,200 kilometers in length by 800 kilometers in diameter. Cassini-Huygens, the Cassini spacecraft, the space research mission, commonly called Cassini, involved a collaboration among NASA, the European Space Agency ESA, and the Italian Space Agency ASI to send a space probe to study the planet Saturn and its systems, including its rings and natural satellites. The flagship class robotic spacecraft comprised both NASA's Cassini space probe and ESA's Huygens lander, which landed on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Cassini was the 4th space probe to visit Saturn and the first to enter its orbit, where it stayed from 2004 to 2017. The 2 craft took their names from the astronomers Giovanni Cassini and Christian Huygens. Launched aboard a Titan IVB Centaur on October 15, 1997, Cassini was active in space for nearly 20 years, with 13 years spent orbiting Saturn and studying the planet and its system after entering orbit on July 1, 2004. The voyage to Saturn included flybys of Venus, April 1998 to July 1999, Earth, August 1999, the asteroid 2685 Masursky, and Jupiter, December 2000. And the mission ended September 15, 2017, when Cassini's trajectory took it into Saturn's upper atmosphere and it burned up in order to prevent any risk of contaminating Saturn's moons, which might have offered habitable environments to stow away terrestrial microbes on the spacecraft. The mission was successful beyond expectations. NASA's Planetary Science Division Director, Jim Green, describes Cassini-Huygens as a mission of firsts, quote-unquote, that has revolutionized human understanding of the Saturn system, including its moons and rings, and our understanding of where life might be found in the solar system. Cassini's planners originally scheduled a mission for 4 years, from June 2004 to May 2008. The mission was extended for another 2 years until September 2010, branded the Cassini Equinox mission, and the mission was extended a second and final time with the Cassini Solstice mission lasting another 7 years until September 15, 2017, on which date Cassini was deorbited to burn up in Saturn's upper atmosphere. The Huygens model traveled with Cassini until it separated from the probe on December 25, 2004. Huygens landed by parachute on Titan on January 14, 2005. It returned data to Earth for around 90 minutes, using the orbiter as a relay. This was the first landing ever accomplished in the outer solar system and the first landing on a moon other than Earth's moon. And this is on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.